Hi, superstars. Okay, so today we'll be talking about real estate. Real estate is the new gold. Okay, my superstars. So I am live at DIF Luxury Estate located at Ido Road. Okay, so this estate is seated on a 1.2 hectare. It contains about 22 plots, okay, my superstars, and each plot is about 500 square meters. 500 square meters is going for 1.5 million naira on this estate, my superstars. This estate is seated in a very beautiful place, very quiet and serene, and has potentials to grow into a thriving area in no time, my superstars. So if you are in need of a place you can invest, and in few months or a year you have about 100% return on investment, then DIF Luxury Estate is the place you need. Okay, my superstars, let me take you around. My superstars, it is already parcellated, and all you need to do is pick a plot, my superstars, and guess what, my superstars? The first 10 plots goes for 1.5 million. After the first 10 plots, it is going to increase to about 2.5 million. So what are you waiting for? Let me take you around, my superstars. Let's see how this place is. I'm so excited, my superstars. This place is good. It's not those kind of parcels that have this confusing kind of alignment. It is a square plot of land. You see it well cut out, a square plot that enables you to design your house or sell it out effectively with no problems at all. So let me take you around. All right, my superstars. Another great thing about this estate is that it is point and go ahead and do your thing. This estate, once you pay, you'll be allocated your plot instantly. Like as you can see, a client came and we showed him his plot there, and then once you pay, you'll be allocated your plot and you can do whatever you want with it. Okay, my superstars, this estate has a lawyer and a surveyor attached. So once you pay, you can go ahead and pay for your power of attorney.
The surveyor can help you survey your plot in order to secure your plot if you are not building immediately. With the surveyor, you can survey your plot at a subsidized rate, pending when you will sell out or erect a structure on the land. And we have an architect in the team who can help you make a structural design of whatever building it is you want to make on your plot at a subsidized rate as well, and then you are good to go. Okay, my superstars. I'll be taking you through some key landmarks attached to this estate. First, we have Uran Local Government Secretariat attached to the estate. Very close, we have ACC Chinese Company Estate. We also have Dove International High School close to the estate. We have Rubber Plantation, Mbak Roundabout, Trinity Polytechnic. These are very key landmarks close to the estate. On this estate, there's something for everyone. We do not just have 500 square meters at 1.5 million. We also have smaller plots of 250 square meters sold at 800,000 naira. So with as low as 800,000 naira, you can secure yourself a half plot, a 250 square meter plot on this estate. Isn't that amazing, my superstars? Oh. Okay, so let me go catch up with the architect and surveyor to together with our client so I can show you around this plot and what a 500 square meter plot actually looks like.
Yes, the robot tram.
That the last plot this side.
Yes. See, Charles, see the road on this.
Okay. This one road.
From this point. From this point.
To this.
Go to this point.
Okay, I get it now.
Okay, from this beacon.
From this,
Okay. From this beacon to that point where the surveyor is standing is another plot.
to that point where the surveyor is standing is another plot.
Once you look at it here, yes. And yes, surveyor, yeah, come that way. Somewhere there will be road. Will be another road. So this middle plot has two access. You can enter from this side and also enter from the other side. So you can either build and turn your house and face this way or face the other way. So the middle has an advantage.
Okay. For double access. The corner plot.
Yes.
Okay, so that's part of this plot.
Yeah.
Okay.
From
here to
this
there.
point, to that particular point that he was. So
Then to that
somebody
point.
standing. So Nike, go to the other point and stand so that you can see. You see a beacon somewhere there. No, beacon.
Go in, it went in a little.
No, that's too much.
No, it was around here.
Either a stick or something.
I saw it.
Is it a stick?
I saw a beacon. Go in a little.
Okay, here. It's here.
You see a stone there.
It's here.
Okay.
So like that in a square.
From
Down to the other
Like
there
a square.
to here,
opposite where she's standing.
then to
Where she's standing in this line.
to there.
That's one plot. So the only advantage in this plot is like it's long. So if anybody is taking like 2 to 3, we recommend here so that the shape, the square will come out well. So that's the design.
Let me excuse the surveyor. Let me help you.
No,
Younger, I'm asking you offset.
Okay, my superstars, before we continue, if you like this kind of content, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you, my superstars. Please write it in the comment section more of real estate, as this will encourage me to bring more videos on real estate.
So I've just returned from the site. Okay, so real estate in Akwa Ibom State, Uyo, is a virgin industry which people are really beginning to explore. Lots of people are not really enlightened about real estate in Akwa Ibom State, Uyo. Thus, so many people from other states are coming into Akwa Ibom State, Uyo, to invest in real estate. What more time would it be best for you than now to key into the increasing wealth which is about to be built via real estate in Uyo? Okay, so if you're interested in getting a plot or more from DIF Luxurious Estate in Akwa Ibom State, Uyo, please send me a mail via idzillion@gmail.com or send me a DM via 070-444-81914 and we'll get you started. With time, I'll bring more information and more updates on different sites you could acquire to make money in Nigeria. What more can we talk about? This channel is all about making money and businesses you can do to make money. So we are very much in line, and real estate is the new gold. Alright, my superstars, till our next video, always and always remember that I love you. Bye, superstars.